Okay, so what I found the most striking in your address this morning was the fact that you found the Maltese resources to be so good that you chose Malta. What are the human resources which you will be using and which will be increasing, and what is it that struck your company most to leave it into the hands of the Maltese?
Well, when we commenced the agreement 5 years or 6.5 years ago now with SR Technics, MCAST assured us that they could train a workforce here that would be skilled to the level that we would need to be able to do the maintenance on our A320 fleet. I'm glad to say that has actually borne fruit. The standard of people here, the technicians that have been trained that work on our aircraft, are as good as any in the world. The standard of work that we've had over the last 6.5 years played a large part, as well as obviously value for money, in our decision to come here to Malta. So we are rightly happy with the service we get here, and we are more than happy with the standard of personnel that work on our aircraft.